Ago, about 3 years ago, I had seen a model of what this place would look like. They brought me there at Universal, and it was very impressive. But when I came here and I saw it in real life, I couldn't believe it. I mean, it's awe-inspiring.
Avez-vous été impliqué dans la conception des scènes de l'attraction?
Was I involved in the rides themselves? Not really. I'd love to be able to say that I had a hand in the design, but I think it's lucky I didn't, because I couldn't have done nearly as well as the way these people did.
Après avoir traversé les bureaux du journal où travaille Spider-Man, on chausse des lunettes polarisées et on s'installe dans un simulateur de vol sur roue. Lorsque Spider-Man bondit sur le véhicule, on sent l'impact. L'effet est saisissant. Le super-héros est une image de synthèse en relief, mais on jurerait pouvoir le toucher. L'engin avance dans les rues de New York, figure à la fois par des décors et par des images de synthèse projetées sur écran géant. Attention, le Dr Octopus arrive. Spider-Man l'affronte au cours d'une bataille dont les spectateurs vivent toutes les péripéties. Les cinémagiciens d'Universal se sont surpassés.
It only lasts for 4 minutes. It took them 3 years to do that 4-minute film. And when you see it, you can understand why it took that long. It's mind-boggling. It's wonderful.
L'ennemi juré des 4 Fantastiques, le Docteur Fatalis, a préparé un mauvais tour. Ou plutôt 2 tours. Les spectateurs courageux sont catapultés à 60 mètres de hauteur par sa machine et tombent en chute libre. Un peu plus loin, un roller coaster a été peint en vert pour évoquer Hulk. Les wagons accélèrent de 0 à 60 km/h en 2 secondes. Les passagers subissent 7 vrilles, frôlent les eaux du lac et plongent dans 2 tunnels souterrains.
When I did the Hulk, I thought I would like to do something different. I'd like to make a hero out of a monster. I don't know why I wanted to do that. And then I remembered Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. He was normal, and then he turned into a monster. And I thought of Frankenstein, the old movie with Boris Karloff. I always felt the monster was the good guy.
Je veux être le docteur Banner et pas le docteur Jekyll.
Vos personnages sont apparus dans de nombreuses séries télé au fil des ans. Pouvez-vous nous parler de celles qui vous ont vraiment le plus marqué?
I thought that the Hulk live-action show was wonderful. The fellow who wrote it and produced it, Ken Johnson, he was able to take something that could have seemed like a foolish children's show, and he made it intelligent, and he made it for adults and kids. I was incredibly disappointed in the Spider-Man live-action show. I felt that it lacked all the qualities that had made Spider-Man popular.
Et qu'avez-vous pensé des séries animées? Les X-Men, les 4 Fantastiques, Iron Man?
Well, the X-Men and the Spider-Man show, the new one, I was very happy with. The Iron Man and they weren't that well done, I thought. The ones about a couple of years ago, they weren't that well done. But we have new ones coming along. There's going to be a new Avengers animated show. I haven't seen it, but I hear it's wonderful. Well, I am working on my own projects at the moment, which don't involve Marvel, but I'm still a consultant to Marvel. My title is Chairman Emeritus. I'm not sure what that means, and mainly I'm going to try to be helping them with the comic books. I want to try to bring those comic books up to the height of popularity they had before.